Did you guys make the dough already?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it?
It has to rise still, though.
It's gonna rise? That's so tiny.
It's gonna puff up to twice or more the size.
And then we have to
Hope so.
punch it down, I think.
Punch it down?
Yep.
This will be our first try at making a pizza in the Traeger. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take this top rack off. We bought that pizza stone off of Amazon. They say do not season it, don't put oil on it. I think we're gonna put a little flour or cornmeal on the thing when we get ready to slide the pizza, or before we get ready to put the pizza on there. Turn the switch on in the back. We have pellets. Pizza cooks at a high temperature. I think we're going to try 450 degrees and ignite. It says igniting. So it takes a few minutes to ignite. It goes through these cycles. I love the initial fire up when this thing starts smoking like this. It smells so good. Did the dough get bigger?
Probably not enough, but yeah, it did get bigger. For sure.
Twice as big?
I don't know.
Maybe
What
not
would you
quite
say, Noah?
twice, but we're hungry, so.
We are hungry. Are you going to put flour on the...
We are. I just wanted to see if it would be easy to pull that up.
I think you should pick it up and twirl it.
You're shrinking it.
Elise, it's stuck. We don't want a video of us yelling.
Yeah. Stop videoing, stupid!
Okay, now twirl it.
Uh-oh. And then it gets a hole in the middle.
We're like, don't do this.
Thick pizza again. Okay, come on. Push it under. Was that the whole point of the pizza peel? To peel the pizza, not lift the pizza and put it on the peel?
Okay, this is the tricky part.
Oh, look at that.
Get this thing onto that thing.
All right, here we go.
Oh, I forgot to put flour on that thing.
Oh, flour goes on that?
Yep.
Oh, I didn't know that. All right, I'll go get it.
So putting all the ingredients on, this thing was down to about 288 degrees. It's heating back up pretty quick. Gonna cook it for about 15 minutes at 450. See the set temp right there is 450. Three and a half minutes. I'm gonna open it to take a picture. Oh man, that looks good. Okay, 0.
That's looking pretty good. The cheese doesn't look really melty. It could be in there a little longer, I think. We could look at the bottom.
It's high temperature, it won't
So
melt.
if we just take it and kind of look at the
We
underneath.
can do that.
Because you don't want to burn it.
I think I'm gonna look underneath it a little bit. It's a lot of flour, but it's looking golden. I think it's maybe a couple more minutes. Went down. It was up to like 480. The set temperature is 450, but it goes way high and then it comes down. It's a little soft on the edge. Oh, just a couple more minutes. I'm anxious. 5:30. 3 more minutes. Shut that Traeger down using the app.
awesome.
using the pizza peel. Okay.
Careful, don't like the sauce is gonna like see
Yep.
how there's stuff on the top.
Okay, but
Did you turn it? We have to.
Pineapple on anything.
we're
anything.
finishing up here. Looks, at least on the outside, we got a success story here. Let's hope so. What do you guys think?
Oh yes, it looks beautiful.
I want to get a picture and send it to
Why
Ken.
are you're so
Okay, I'm hungry. Is it edible? Is it edible? Is that the best pizza you've ever had? Mmm.
What do you think?
it's really good.
How's the crust?
Crunchy and yummy.
It is. It's not doughy. It's crunchy. Yay! That's exciting.
It's really good.